Today we're talking about one of my favorite topics, home staging. If you've ever wondered why some homes sell quickly while others sit, staging is often the secret. We'll go room by room so you can make every space shine. Whether you're watching or just listening, let's dive into it. I'm Jennifer Vaughan with Dwell Real Estate, and welcome to Living Lake Oconee. Staging matters because first impressions matter. Home staging is all about presenting your home in the best possible light, highlighting its strengths, and helping buyers imagine themselves living there. We once listed a newer built lakefront home that had been on the market for 6 months with little activity. After professional staging, it received multiple offers and sold above the area's average price per square foot. That's the power of staging. It's not decorating, it's strategic marketing for your home. Here are the basic staging principles. 1, clean like never before. Spotless homes feel cared for. 2, declutter. Start packing early to open up the space. 3, light and neutral. Open blinds, use soft paint tones, and make it bright. You don't need a renovation, just a move-in ready feel. Here's some tips for your family room. You want to make it inviting and comfortable. You want to simplify, which means removing extra furniture and opening up the space. Depersonalize, which means taking down your family photos or sports items. You need to light it right. Brighten up dark corners with lamps and bulbs. The kitchen sells the home. It should sparkle. You need to clear the counters. Keep only 1 or 2 accent items. Declutter the fridge. Clean and simple. Add light and freshness, clean appliances, and remove odors. Some tips for your bedrooms. Make your bedrooms feel like a calm retreat. You need to remove any extra furniture and clutter. Use symmetry. We need matching lamps, art, and pillows. Style the bed neatly with neutral bedding. Bathrooms are important because even small spaces can make a big impression. You need to deep clean. That includes the grout and all the glass. Keep it simple. 1 towel, 1 rug, minimal items. And add a touch of life with greenery or a flower. For your living room, this is the first impression space. It needs to wow buyers. Focus on flow, furniture, and feeling. Arrange your furniture for conversation. Use neutral tones and keep art high quality and at eye level. Here's some tips if you have a vacant home or you're going to do virtual staging. Empty rooms feel smaller and colder. Even minimal staging helps buyers visualize how to live there. If physical staging isn't possible, virtual staging is a great option. Here's what we do for showings and how we prep your home to give it a great first impression as buyers come through. Before every showing, think like a host. Open your blinds and turn on all your lights. Hide personal items like medications or paperwork. Add a welcoming touch, fresh flowers, soft music, or a clean scent. Some of my clients like to bake cookies before showings. Staging transforms how buyers see your home. As an example, I had a lakefront home that was brand new, and it went from sitting for 6 months to selling fast and above market average, all because of staging. If you like your own copy of the Room by Room Staging Guide, visit jennifervaughan.com. Until next time, I'm Jennifer Vaughan, reminding you to love where you dwell.